Every year a man is paid 500 more than the previous year. If he received $17,800 over 4 years, what was he paid in the first year? For first year, he paid X plus $500. For second year,
X plus 1,000.
he will pay X plus 500, this amount plus 500.
1,000.
For third year, he will pay X plus 500 plus $500 plus $500. For fourth year, he will pay X plus $500 plus $500 plus $500. 1 2 3 इसके साथ आपने plus $500 ऐड करना है. So this will be equal to more than previous year. If he received $17,800 over 4 years, if he received 17,800 over 4 years, so for first year we have X plus 500, for second year we have this, for third year we have this, for fourth year we have this. So this is not equal to that, like that. This is only for fourth year. Total he received 17,800 for 4 years. So this will be like, you will add all these thingy and that will be equal to 17,800. Like your 17,800, that will be equal to this amount X plus 500 which he paid for first year, plus this amount X plus 500 plus 500 plus this amount which is X plus 500.
Basically 17,800 minus 5,000 करेंगे तो आ जाएगा आंसर.
Okay, wait, let's see.
मैं अपनी कॉपी लाऊं?
जी जी. Okay, so for first year he paid $3,700. Okay, for first year he paid, यहाँ पे year लिख दो.
नहीं. For first you paid X amount. For second you paid X plus 500. For third you paid X plus 5.
बस इस तरह कर लो कि X ले लो, कोई बात नहीं है. this will be x, okay, then this will be x plus 500, okay, this will be, okay, or for fourth year it will be like this. Got it?
हाँ.
Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए x हो जाएगा, for second year this will be like this,
Yes.
for third year this will be like this,
Yes.
for fourth year it will be like this.
Yes.
ओके तो इनको सम अप कर लो, इससे 3000 आ जाएगा.
3000.
या दिस विल बी 3000, ओके, एंड दिस इज 4x एंड दैट, सो दिस विल बी 3. सो इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो तो इससे क्या आता है, आई थिंक 13000 आएगा, नहीं 14 आएगा, 14800.
Yes.
इसको डिवाइड कर लो 14800, सो
Divided by 4.
3700 आएगा.
Yes, book पे भी वही लिखा था.
Okay, so here the for first he will pay 3700. So this is the answer. Okay.